Hi friends, good evening. Uh, Again, I'm here with you for you with a new topic of motivation. Fine. In my earlier videos, I have talked about what is motivation, what is the importance of motivation, right? So now, today I'm here with some motivational theories. So actually, why this motivation in organizations was required? Actually, the most of the thinkers, experts and researchers in education, they recognized that problem of motivating is a very important thing to be considered. Fine. So they studied different aspects and theories which have a bearing on motivation. So two types of theories were propounded: content theories and process theories. Content theories looked in what motivates us, and process theories looked in the process of motivation, how it occurs. Fine. So now let us have a quick look at what were the theories. Under content theories came Maslow's need hierarchy, Herzberg's motivation theory, and McClelland's need theory, Alderfer's ERG theory. And under process theories came Bloom's expectancy theory, Adams' equity theory, goal setting theory, and reinforcement theory. Now let us come to the first theory. The first theory that we are going to do today is understand today is Maslow's theory of motivation. Mr. Abraham Maslow was an American psychologist who proposed this theory in 1943, and this theory was called as is known by the name hierarchy needs theory. Fine. So he gave a 5-tier model of human needs, and in this theory the bottom up approach was adopted, and best part of this theory is that it is applicable on most of the people, right? So this is the thing. So let us come to what Maslow has proposed. He proposed that motivation is the result of a person's attempt of fulfilling 5 basic needs. Okay, physiological needs, then safety needs, and social esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. So according to Maslow, these needs can create internal pressures and can influence a person's behavior. So he just looked into this, that needs lower down in the hierarchy, okay, they must be satisfied before individuals can attend the needs higher up. Okay, so this was the thing, and obviously let us see what else he did. This was the pyramid. Okay, so he proposed this hierarchical structure, okay, of the needs that need to be fulfilled. So what these needs told: the first level of need consist of food, water, warmth and rest, the basic needs for any person. So if these needs are not met, he cannot go up the level. Now second level says that security and safety needs, wherever we are working, wherever we are, we should be safe. Okay, so we have the need to be safe, and safe from any kind of hazard, any kind of accident. Okay, so this is the second desire that any person or any employee has. Then third level is the belongingness and love needs. Since every one of us is social, and we cannot stay without love, without intimate relationships, without friends. So it is a very important level of needs. So after this level of need is satisfied, we start thinking in terms of the esteem needs. This is the need of getting recognition, getting respect, okay, and the feeling of accomplishment, and that obviously is a very important aspect for anybody. Each one of us want respect. Okay, then the last level, okay, is the self actualization level, where anyone wants to achieve his full potential. We want, at that point of time when we are at this level, we are full with experience, okay, and we have developed ourselves to a bit because of experience. So this is the level where we actually self-actualize, okay, and we try to become an expert and try to become efficient, okay. So we just want to achieve our full potential. Now moving on to the next slide, it is telling you the same thing, only in context of the organization. It is telling you fine all the 5 levels. Now after this, if we talk of advantages, this theory was applicable to everybody, and it is very simple to understand, and it helps in organizing wants and fears, and since the needs are escalated, so it's very easy to understand. Now if we talk of the limitations of Maslow's theory, so there have been some limitations because of which the critics discussed about this theory. They said that not all employees are governed by same set of needs, okay, at the same point of time. Maybe one person is driven by physiological needs, the other people are driven by social needs, okay. If any person is not getting respect, not getting recognition in his organization, so maybe at the same point of time he might have been driven by the esteem needs, okay. So it is very difficult to measure the satisfaction levels of different people, and a very important aspect of the limitation is that this theory is not applicable in case of the starving artist, okay. An artist has a hunger for his work, okay, he has a hunger for art. He just, even if he is starving, even if he is hungry, he will not look towards food. He will just strive for, or he will just be motivated to complete his work, okay, to complete his art and get recognition and achievement, okay. So this is these are the limitations of Maslow's theory, and that is it in today's motivation theories. We will, in my coming videos, I will be discussing about some more theories, and which will obviously help us to give the tips of how to motivate the employees, okay. And in this Maslow's theories, one example is that if in a hospital, okay, the nurse, if we look at them, so nurse should always see to it that the patient's needs are satisfied according to these levels, okay. So they should take care of the needs of the patient. If any one of this need, like if we take first, second and third level, okay, till social needs, and after that, after the social need, if these 3 levels are not getting satisfaction, if any patient is not satisfied, he is not getting all these needs fulfilled, so obviously he cannot be happy and he cannot recover well from his sickness. So this is it in Maslow's theory. Thank you for watching. If you like, kindly subscribe, and thank you. I'll be coming with a new video on some new theories. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.